Oh, hey, they're growing potatoes. Potatoes, potatoes, boil 'em, mash 'em, stick 'em in a stew. Boil 'em, mash 'em, stick 'em in a stew. Potatoes, potatoes, yes.
That.
Just in case anybody wants to know, all of us are Lord of the Rings nerds. And Doctor Who nerds. Except
Well,
Jed.
2 of us anyway.
Well, yeah, except Jed.
But
He's an ass.
Don't exclude me from being Doctor Who nerd, you dumbass.
We're not excluding you, you're excluding yourself.
By not watching.
What are you talking about? I've seen every episode.
You have?
When?
Then do you agree with me that Matt Smith is ridiculous and everyone should hate him?
Yes.
Yes!
David Tennant is the best.
David Tennant. Okay, ready? I'm going to use my comparison again. Eccleston. I'm sorry. All 20 of them are dead. Tennant. 10 of them are dead.
But 10 are alive.
Yeah. Smith. Unicorns!
Potatoes, potatoes, boil 'em, mash 'em.
Yeah, something like that.
Move, move, you stupid sheep. God.
Okay, I took out the spawner. Where are the rest of them?
Do you want there to be a rest of them?
No, I'm saying I took out the spawner, and I can still hear them.
Oh. You know what I've decided? These
What?
villagers... Do the villagers really need these wood logs outlining their, farm? You know, I'm gonna be nice to them, and I'm gonna leave it here. Because reasons. Ooh, carrots. Carrots is precious. What was that? Why? Why, Jed? I haven't stolen anything. Jed, why? What was that for? Oh. It appears my hangout has crashed. I'm really sorry about this. We'll have to edit it out.
How much did that arrow hurt, by the way? It was power 4.
How many arrows did you hit me with?
1.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Wow.
How
It took
many
at
hearts
least
did it
5 hearts.
Yeah, it's power 5. And power 4.
Kraber!
Alright. Fair enough.
I'd like to launch a sneak attack on a creeper.
Is anybody...
Oh crap, I'm dying in here.
Alright, TP to someone. No, set home and then TP to someone.
Hi, David.
Hey.
I'm just being a lumberjack.
I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay.
Can I borrow some of your diamonds?
I don't have any left.
Cock.
And if I did, you couldn't. Working on the railroad. Josiah, get out of my chest. Oh, that's David. Oh, David, I do have your pork chops, by the way. There they are.
Where?
Behind you. The sheep ate them.
That's
Anyone
me.
else want
And I'm
them?
not taking stuff, dude. I'm putting stuff in.
What? This isn't a community chat. This is
I'm
not
giving
a
you
community
shit.
house. Oh, what?
Jed,
What?
you do know that there are sheep in the middle of your house.
I know. I like the open air atmosphere of my house.
Hmm.
Oh, my tractor's first,
Alright.
but there it is.
Ah, good. Well, I'm going to make myself,
Those sheep are
bread.
following you.
or what's really annoyed me is that you don't make bread with a furnace. You make it with a crafting
Yeah,
table.
that's weird.
I mean, seriously. What?
Can I use my... No, I don't. That's not breaking. I'm not going to waste my self-touching on
By
it.
the way, Jed, your item frame got dropped, so I'll put it back up for you. Oh, there's a skeleton. Hello, Mr. Skeleton.
I'm mining cobble for my new house.
Oh, there are two skeletons. Oh, they're actually not that accurate for far distances. By the way, Jed, I think they may be coming over here, so I'm gonna get a bow.
Okay.
But I don't have any arrows, so this is going to go well. So,
I got you, Zach.
oh, thank you. Run away, run away. Oh, oh, hey, nice job.
You have
got
so
him.
many arrows in you right now, it's ridiculous. Go to the third person.
I know. Yes, I see. Do you know who I remind myself of right now? The Berserker.
Oh,
Ninja
that guy,
Powers.
yeah, that's funny. Except, I guarantee you, they're heartless, remorseless orcs. Someone else would have just picked up the damn torch.
True. It's true.
What?
I have a spider eye. I'm gonna put that in Jed's chest.
I'm gonna keep my spider
I don't
eyes.
want spider eyes.
Alright then, I'll find some lava somewhere and throw it in there! Sorry for trying to be nice! Okay.
I don't accept your apology.
You're an asshole. Oh! Oh god, creeper! Get
Don't
away from me,
blow my
creeper. I don't
house
like
up.
you. Oh, don't worry, it's not that near your house. It's in the middle of the village, and it just completely... They had a nice town square going, and then you messed it up! Goddamn creepers. I hate creepers.
I dug a really big
Why
hole.
you gotta be mean to all these people?
What, Jed?
I dug a really big hole.
How did I get black wool in my inventory?
Because of the lights in the town center are made of black wool.
Being
Oh,
racist against wool villagers, isn't it?
No, no, no. And why is it that when a creeper blows things up? Oh, I'll save you, Mr. Villager. Why is it that when a creeper blows things up, you don't get all the stuff back?
Because it has the same mechanic as TNT, where it only drops like 10% of the stuff it blows up.
That's really annoying.
Minecraft nerd for the win.
I'm more of a redstoner myself.
I know.
I'm that guy who just runs around and blows stuff up.
I went surfing this morning. Over
Just
April
stab the
vacation,
guy in
I
the
think I've been
face this
surfing 8 times. It's fun.
I stabbed the guy this morning in the neck.
Lovely. Do tell us more. Was it before or after breakfast?
Unlike the movie stars, I prefer to get my killing done after breakfast.
I think there's a zombie trying to break down a door. I'll go save the villager. Where are you, Mr. Zombie? He's inside. How do you get there?
Probably already closed the door. Trying to flee the scene before
No,
the
but the
cops
door
get
was
there.
unbroken. I'll save you.
Maybe the house is inhabited by Dr. Jekyll. Mr. Hyde.
Oh. It's a possibility. Never considered it that way. Oh, house.
I have a lot
Skeleton,
of
get back!
Watch out, Jed. There's a skeleton.
What is it the one that I was talking about? Because if it was, I got him.
I'm not concerned about skeletons.
Can I have my arrow back
Well,
then?
I am!
What?
Can I have my arrow back then?
It's in my brain. Here you go.
You're weird people. Let's see, what do we need? We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, I need 9 pieces of gravel. Jed, do you have any unwanted gravel in your chest?
Yeah, I have tons. There's 40.
Oh, can I take
There's
9 of it?
48.
Oh, cock.
There's an arrow in the top of your head.
I only need... I know. I only need 9. Gravel? Are you sure?
Oh god.
There's also an arrow.
I want to use it to repair...
Uzziah, there's also an arrow in the top of your head.
I know. It would explain a lot of why I've all the time.
Okay.
Okay, do you think I should not be making jokes at the expense of people with brain damage? Yeah, I probably shouldn't.
Nah.
I mean, Zach McCloud, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Who's that?
Interesting fact for all the people out there on the internet, Zach McCloud went to our school.
Like
Go to BB&N and stalk them. Look at this. I just dug this.
Nice. I'm taking the coal.
Okay, don't really care. Just give me the coal.
I dig it, man. You dig what I'm laying down? Alright, let's see. What do I have to do?
Oh, shit.
What was it? I need logs. Oh, right. Logs. Let's go get some.
Six furnaces. These are my furnaces. No one can use these.
Alright, fine. Jeez, you furnace hog.
Alright. You asshole.
You're a furnace hog, Jed.
Am I?
Yes.
I know.
You are. You're an evil person.
You remember Robin Hood's mantra? Steal from the rich, give to the poor.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. We should do that.
But steal from Jed and then take from yourself?
Yeah, pretty much, basically, because we're poor. Right?
See, the way I see it, Gandhi would like us to disable his air conditioning.
Yeah.
Come on, Top Gear India special.
I know what you're talking about.
See, we're redistributing the wealth. We're doing a Ganesh. Oh, no, that's May. Nobody... So, May wasn't disabling his own air conditioning, so he wouldn't say that.
There, I'm cooking stone. It's occurred to me I could
There's
use
so
some-
much coal in here.
Cooked stone. Cooked stone tastes lovely.
Turning it into smooth
Dice
stone,
button.
dude. Build my house.
I know what it does. I'm not an idiot. At least not in Minecraft.
Or in real life.
Frickin' Canadian.
What?
What?
I made
Oh,
that joke yesterday.
yeah. The A minus A.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I guess my grades are Canadian because they're all A's.
I'm 5'6" Canadian.
I don't get it.
He has 5 out of 6 A's.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm gonna refrain from
No,
joining
everyone's
this
F.
conversation.
Kidding me.
Yeah, I don't think I should make comments about yours either. That might be a bit. That could be construed as rude.
What? No one cares.
I'm just
about
gonna stop. I'm just gonna stop talking about
There's
this.
a lot of coal here.
Yeah, I'm taking all of it.
that. I want it. I need
No,
some
you're
too.
not. There's plenty over
Oh,
here.
the place.
No.
That place where Jed dug his massive hole, there was shitloads of coal in there, so I took all of it.
Actually, I
Jed.
need some, and I took it. What?
Jed, look, if Gandhi wants me to disable your air conditioning, I am going to disable your air conditioning and take your coal while I'm at it.